Come on in. So my name is Matthew, I'm the lab manager. I'm gonna give you a quick 20-minute tour. We're gonna start with a 5-minute presentation, and then I'm gonna show you the prototyping where we manufacture the sample, and then the testing where we do the qualification.
I bet. Let's follow this. Follow that to work. What's that?
All right, come on this way. I'm gonna go through that very quickly. So as I said, here we do the qualification of the threaded connection. When we put some pipe down a hole, we have thread where we may do that. So here we do the manufacturing, the inspection, but also the testing. So you all know how thread works, right? For oil and gas, it's slightly different. We have a taper thread, so we can have the pin go deep inside the box. We have a shoulder to build torque, and we also have a gas tight seal to make sure this is gas proof. A quick word about offshore well design. When we do offshore well design, it's very deep well. It's almost 35,000 feet, 6 miles down of pipe going down through the hole. So we have different connections threaded with a coupling, integral, semi-flush, and flush. For onshore, it's slightly different. They do a lot of horizontal drilling. So they will come down vertically, go down about 8,000 foot, and then horizontal for 10,000 foot. So they have what we call a dog leg, where they go from vertical to horizontal. And then on one pad, they will do several wells to collect as much oil as possible. When we do the design of the thread, we start with mechanical drawing. We do FEA, basically calculation using a computer, just to make sure that the design looks good. And then we do physical testing. So I'm gonna show you the make and breaking equipment where we made up, we do the assembly. We do some brake tests. And then we do the testing underground inside the pit. So I will be able to show you that as well. A few words about the latest development that we did. So when they made up this pipe together today, we are using some kind of grease to lubricate. We came up with clean well. The installation is right here. It's a blue coating that allows us to make up the pipe without any tow. Once we do the testing, basically we apply tension, compression, bending, internal pressure, external pressure to simulate what the pipe will see down the hole. At the end of the test, we like to do a failure test just to see how much the pipe can withstand holes. So I'm going to show you a quick video. Here we are doing a test with internal pressure. So you can barely see where the tape is breaking. The pipe is inflating. Then we are going to get the failure right now.
Wow.
I have another video. It was a smaller diameter pipe, 5-inch with water. This one has sound, just a heads up. So when we do the test,
Ooh! God damn!
okay. Again.
Because I didn't know it was gonna be loud.
All right, so now you know.
I
it's gonna
realized
happen
that
again.
loud it was.
So watch how fast this actually happens for it too.
Oh! God. God.
Okay, so let's go. We are gonna start with the prototyping side. This is where we manufacture the sample. Okay, come on this way.
Friends are following along. back up. Dip it back up.
So before we start the testing, we have to manufacture our sample. So we start with a piece of pipe. So we have a saw over there where we'll cut the pipe to length. And then I told you we have a male and female that we keep together. So to help us with the material, we have what we call the end forming, where we'll collect the material from the pin and expand the material from the box. So we have more material to work with. On the back, we have our stress relief, because once we do that, we induce a lot of mechanical stress. So we will heat up the pipe to release some of the stress. Once we are done with this, we go to audition wall. We are actually running a pipe right now. It's a custom equipment that we design with a laser, so we can scan the body of the pipe. And we also have a head with different weight that checks the wall thickness. So we collect the body of the pipe, the wall thickness of the pipe, and we are able to do a 3D mapping to know exactly the dimension of the pipe itself. So the next step is the thread that we make to make this pipe together. We are using a lathe. So we spin the pipe very fast and have an insert that will cut the thread. So I'm going to show you a few examples.
We look like ninjas. Look like a bunch of ninjas.
If y'all want to come over here. Y'all can get close. Yeah, y'all can come close.
You gonna cut the metal?
I just more show you the end result of what it looks like.
So on the rig floor, when we put this pipe together, the pipe are actually 40 foot. We do the testing on a small sample, but we focus on the testing of the connection. So this is the male piece. So you see the thread, it's just basically a thread with a taper and a metal-to-metal seal. So once we are done with the threading, it's all shiny. The next step is end finish. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. So we manufacture the male end, the female end, and also end cap, because we need to grab on the pipe to be able to inject the pressure, apply tension and compression. So right now it's a very shiny piece of metal. I'm going to show you the end finish, but since we are in this area, I'm going to talk about the make and break. So you can move closer to the make and break area. One of the first tests of testing is going to be to make up the pipe and basically get this connection very tight. So we have 3 vertical tongues. This is exactly the equipment you will find on a rig floor, where we will take the male, female, and apply some torque to make that. And we also have 2 horizontal tongues to make up smaller diameter. So depending on the size of the pipe and the torque that we want to reach, we will select the equipment that we want to make those up. All right, I'm gonna show you the end finish part of it.
Moving along.
So this is our clean well line. This is the latest development that we did. As I mentioned before, they were applying what we call dope or lubricant to the pipe. With this process, we do a chemical treatment on the pipe. We spray the blue coating, and we no longer need to apply the dope to the pipe. So we can just directly make this on the rig floor. All right.